you. I'm currently a junior and I'll be giving announcements for today. First, we have our last week of Friday night lecture from Pastor Michael. If you registered for our Friday night lecture, please check your email to get a link to watch the video. Next, we have a new pastor coming into DongShin. Her name is Haven Yoon, and she has a few words for us, our youth ministry. So let's watch the video.
Hello you guys, my name is Heaven Yoon and you can call me Pastor Heaven. From now on I'm gonna serve you as a educational department director and youth pastor for the middle schooler. And it is great to get to know you, and so please call up and get to know me. Okay, bye.
Next, we have our weekly Wednesday worship video posted on our Instagram page, so please check them. Starting next week, we will have our in-person service starting again. So if you want to come, please wear a mask. And also the time will be 11:20 as usual. And lastly, we have one birthday student for this week, Joyce from freshman. Congratulations. And please go to your small group. Thank you so much. Have a blessing week, and we'll see you guys next week.